They need to make it less boring. So much e-learning is just really, really boring.
You have to think about the individual needs of the learner, and you have to create a situation for learners where they're actually forced to make decisions.
Many of our colleagues in organisational development have been doing systemic thinking for a long time. So my encouragement for me and for us as learning professionals is we need to think about the whole system, affect the needs that people have and provide performance support in those moments of need.
One thing that I would want to make sure is there's an open community and an open forum for people to make natural recommendations. I don't know about you, but I'm much more likely to want to get involved in learning if someone that I know and trust and respect has recommended something personally for me.
I think organisations need to get better at earning attention before they demand it. So you've got to demonstrate value, or else your learners are not going to be invested in what you have to offer.
Synchronisation, bringing everything together in one place so that it's easy for the learners, it removes barriers to learning, and it ensures that everyone can do things simply.